Today we're working on a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300. We're going to be changing the belt tensioner but also the serpentine belt at the same time. I'm going to go through the steps how to do it, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments.
Alright, so I got all the parts and all the tools that we're going to need today. So I bought this from Mercedes-Benz dealership. It's a belt tensioner and I'm going to be showing you around it, how it looks like. And for this one you're going to need a multi-point socket, which I got from Canadian Tire. It's a 17 mil. And I'll be showing you the socket too. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to be using a 3/8 extension with a serpentine belt tool. Secondly, we're going to need a 11mm socket with a 1/2 inch ratchet, and that's going to be used to take out the bolt right here later on. And I also did buy a new serpentine belt for $44 from the dealership. Again, I know you can get this for probably about 20 to 30 bucks online, but I chose to just stick with the one at the dealership. So before you start working on your car, make sure you have a really good light where you can see what you're doing. So I did take off the intake already. It's pretty simple. Just turn this, pull up, press down onto here, press down onto here, and this should come out pretty easy. I also did take off the cover, which you don't have to do. I just chose to do that. And I'll show you the tensioner. Alright, so that's the belt tensioner there. And first thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your tool onto there, which is a 17mm. Go counterclockwise. It's going to release some tension onto the belt. Once the tension is released, keep holding it there and take off the belt. So once you get the belt off, you're going to put the tool back onto here and you're going to hold it going counterclockwise. Hold it into position and take a piece of like an Allen key or a piece of metal and slide it through this hole, and that will hold its position. So then you're able to take off the tool, and then after that you're going to take an 11mm socket with a ratchet and you're going to go counterclockwise and just remove this bolt here. Once you get this out, the tensioner will come out and you just replace it with a new one. So on the new one, first thing first, what you do is when you install this is you do not take this piece of metal out. Alright? You do not take that one out. What you do is you take the old bolt off of the old tensioner. You screw this in first, make sure it's tight. Once you get that, you're gonna release tension right here, then you can take out this piece. Once you take this piece out, you're able to reroute the serpentine belt, and again, you're gonna be going counterclockwise. Hold in position while you reroute this. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and cheers.